Hello everyone, this is Danial Mubarak and today we are learning how to make a 9-head croquis. So what is that? Actually, this is one head. This is second, third, the human head, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 heads. Let's make a 9-head croquis human figure to draw clothes on. Simple. So that is the 9-head croquis. First, this is the A3 sketchbook, and you need this. This is the inches. Okay, so what you do is that for the beginner you start a straight line on the center of your sketchbook, then you mark just a small dash on the top and then start marking 1 inch. Inches mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and also 10 for the feet. So this is 1 inch. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 heads. First, I'll draw the head, which is the oval egg shape. Remember, it doesn't have to be like oval all the way, right? Or a very squarish. No, both are wrong. So what you need is an inverted egg shape, a bit wider from the top and narrower from the lower side. This is wide and this is narrow. So this is the basics. Now let's move on. You divide it into 2 parts and then again divide into 2 parts. Half of it and half of it. Over here, straight line, just not that much wide, and this will be your neck. Second, this line is your shoulder line. Let me just draw this. This is your shoulder line. Right. Next, what you need is that you need one shoulder line, 1.5 head wide measurements. That is, let's say, this is 0.7 inch and 0.7 inch, right? This is your shoulder line. Next, this is your bust line. This is your bust line. Next, your third line or the third head line is your waistline. Sorry, just a glitch, but no worries. This is your waistline. Next, let me just fix this light issue so we can have no disturbance. So this is the waistline, right? So waist equals to 1 inch wide. That means 0.5 inch and 0.5 inch. You connect these 2 dots. Simple. Next, this is your hip line. Hip line. Hip is 1.5 inch wide. Again, 0.5 5 inch, 0.75 inch here and 0.75 inch here. Okay, so 0.7 in and 0.7. You connect these two dots. So what I usually do is that I go a bit up to have a smoother and a nicer shape for the croquis. So I again divide this into half and then go again half and then mark my points over here. That will be my actual lower hip bone points. So this will be your crotch area. This is also known as like your crotch line, and this will be your actual hip line. Hip line. Okay, so what you need to do is you skip this 5 head and go all the way to your 6th head, and this will be your knee line. So you go from this point, from these points, from your actual hip line point, and then you go all the way straight here. So how do you actually decide what will be the width of your knee, right? So for what I do is I just randomly take around quarter of inch and then I space away my croquis, and then I make these two kneecaps, right? And then I also try to make these straight lines so I get the reference of my knee. I connect this line to this straight line, I connect this line, this is the outer part of our thigh, and from this crotch I go here. Okay, next is 7, 8, 9 will be your ankle line or your heel line. This is your feet line, but I'll show you later. So remember how to draw legs: big curve, small curve, big, small. So you grow and then go straight down. You come straight and go here. Again, a bigger curve, go all the way down here, and then this smaller curve, and then all the way down here. Last, you make your feet, if your croquis is wearing heels, your feet will be like this. Connect, I'm sorry I forgot how actually connect these line. This is your actually shoulder to muscles lines, right? Next is about arms, how to draw. Just go again 0.2 inches up and make small dashes, right? And then connect. Don't go here and don't grow, this is wrong. You have to go straight down like this, and just from your bust line you go this again, go straight like this, and just from your bust line you go like this. Second, you just grow a bit your forearm shape, and then go in again, then go straight, grow, then in again, and then your hands, and there you go, your croquis is complete. And your 9-head croquis complete. Thank you.